Nitrogen is one of the essential elements to the living kind. It is present in enzymes, hormones, proteins, amino acids, nucleic acids, and chlorophyll, etc. So it is essential to the living kind, whereas the nitrogen is available in the nature in the form of gas. That means molecular state. This gaseous state nitrogen is not directly useful to the living kind until and unless it is converted into nitrates and nitrites. So the conversion of nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites, then utilized by the living kind, and later entering into environment in the form of gas. These all cyclic changes are togetherly called nitrogen cycle. There are several chemical reactions involved in the nitrogen cycle so that the cycle is happening. Let us discuss today the chemical reactions involved in nitrogen cycle. First and foremost, the atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia. The conversion of gaseous nitrogen into ammonia is called as nitrogen fixation. This is the first phase or first stage of nitrogen cycle. Whereas this nitrogen fixation can be done by three modes. One is biological nitrogen fixation, where microbes will participate here to convert nitrogen into ammonia. And second one, industrial nitrogen fixation, where industrial effluents help the nitrogen to convert ammonia. And third one, electrical nitrogen fixation, where thunders and lightning, the high voltage charge or high voltage current when generated in the nature, which helps to convert nitrogen into nitrates directly. So this is the first step involves in the nitrogen cycle, nitrogen fixation. Once this ammonia is formed, so important thing is ammonia forms in soil. So once ammonia is formed in the soil, it is degraded by the bacterial action. First and foremost, ammonia is converted into nitrites. So this nitrites conversion by the Nitrosococcus nitrosomonas. These bacteria degrade the ammonia to convert the nitrites. Furtherly, nitrites converted into nitrates by the Azotobacter. So this process is known as nitrification. Nitrification is a process in which ammonia is degraded into nitrates, first nitrites into nitrates by the bacterial action. Once nitrates formed, so these are dissolved in the water. This nitrates dissolved nitrates in the water is uptaken by the plants. This process is known as assimilation. The third step, assimilation. So I'm following in this way. Okay. So assimilation, taking uptake of nitrates into the body. So once nitrogen received by the plant, so it stores nitrogen in the form of biomass. So the nitrogen is formed as a biomass. So this plant is eaten by herbivore, so that the nitrogen enters into its body and it creates its own biomass, and herbivore is eaten by carnivore, subsequently carnivore is eaten by omnivore, and so on. So by eating the body parts, so nitrogen enters one organism into another organism. One day this plant, this herbivore, this carnivore or omnivore, whatever it may be, they may die by decomposition process. So again ammonia will form. The decaying material forming ammonia is known as ammonification. Come here. Ammonification. Ammonification is a process in which the biomass, nitrogen present in the biomass, degraded, decomposition process. By decomposition process, ammonia will form. So once ammonia is formed, so this reaction can be taken place. So this one is nitrogen fixation, then nitrification, then assimilation. Assimilation can be plants, even this is also assimilation only. Assimilation and then ammonification. So this reaction continues. So nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification. Then see, once nitrates formed in the soil pool, You can't expect the entire nitrates can be utilized by the plants. So that nitrates are degraded by the another bacteria known as Theobacillus and Pseudomonas. Theobacillus Pseudomonas act on nitrates and they degrade the nitrates to form gaseous nitrogen into the air. So nitrogen is nitrogen released from nitrates by bacterial action and added into the nature is known as denitrification. See, denitrification is the last stage. So from where it is coming through different source, different organisms and different conversions and finally reaching to nature. This is called as nitrogen cycle. Thank you.